Right then, another dirty Touareg video. So on this one, we're going to be attacking these things here, covered in mud and horrible stuff. So they're the cats. This is where the DPF should be. So we're basically going to take these off, jig them up, get them sorted out. So Owen's going to take them off because they're absolutely filthy. I don't want to have Dan covered in dust when he needs to be welding straight after. And then we need to figure out where this little oil leak's coming from and water leak that looks like we've still got. So we'll get cracking and we'll go from there. So not really much has got done since I last left this. We've finally managed to get one of these off, so these bodged up DPF Delete pipes, but for some reason these have got studs sticking out here, but then if you look on these ones, I don't know how easy it is to see, but somebody's welded nuts on it. They've welded nuts on top as well. So we're gonna have to just oxy these to get them out because that one were a pain. And then you can't see much because of the mud, but basically we've sort of, you can't even see it if you look up there, we've sort of half quit on doing these pipes. At some point the engine will come out of this, and at that point we will do this because it's going to be a lot of work trying to get them jigged up anyway. So I don't want to spend 2 weeks trying to take it off and then never sell it anyway. So, because if you have to take engine out, you know, not many people are going to buy them, but the DPF pipe is a bit easier. So we'll get down to make a nice DPF pipe up, and then we'll get onto the X pipe at the back if we get a chance, but we'll see what we get time to do. So Dan managed to get the DPF Delete pipe sorted earlier on, but since then put the off-road tyres on and been off-road, so Danny will put a picture or a video or whatever he's got up looking nice and shiny. So they're for sale on the website now. The cat's obviously engine art job, so we're probably not going to have them for sale until we need the engine art for some reason. So next job now, Dan's going to have to clean it, even though we've tried jet wash it, but it's not done very good. We're going to try and come with some sort of X pipe here and see if it makes it sound any different. So once we've done that, we'll have a look at it and then we'll try and compare sounds sort of next to each other and see how that works out. So let's see. So, Dan got the X pipes done. We'll stick a sound clip in now. So, from in the car, I've not listened to the videos on the outside yet, but from inside the car, it's quieter, which we're sort of discussing why we think it could be, but I think this diameter's a little bit reduced. Maybe we could have not gone as close together with them and just had a smaller overlap, or like Dan originally said, why don't we just quickly just join an H pipe rather than an X pipe on the original silencer delete that we got. But we've done it now. It's definitely quieter. I think it sounds a little bit raspy, but we'll let everybody else decide. It's still a diesel engine at the end of the day. It's not revving to 10,000 RPM. If it did, it'd be like a Lamborghini. So, if people really want this, it's going to be an absolute pig to jig. It's going to cost a lot more money. I think we've got the other ones up for 250 quid. Plus shipping and VAT and all that sort of stuff. This would be nearer to 400 quid, so I don't think a lot of people are going to want it for the difference it makes. But let the customers decide. A few people have already ordered the other ones, and I told them to wait until this video came along to see what they reckoned. But we'll let them decide what they want to do. You decide what you want to do, and then we'll see how it goes. So hopefully this video's been interesting. We didn't get the Lamborghini sounds that we wanted. I want it to be even louder, but we still need to get rid of them cats, so hopefully that'll make a decent difference, but we'll do that another day because it's a big job. Cheers.